Hey, what's going on YouTubers? It's Mark Methods. Today we're going to be adjusting the e-brake drum on my 2014 BRZ. This is the same procedure on the FRS and the GT86. It's a great way to get your handbrake to have a little bit more power and engage quicker. So when you go drifting or even just holding your car in the same spot, you're not stretching out the cable as much and you're actually getting the material to where it needs to go. So let's remove this wheel. So adjusting the e-brake on this car is very simple. It's just a drum inside of here. There's an adjuster wheel toward the bottom, so you're going to want to make sure that you free up the e-brake so that you can rotate it toward the bottom. And then you remove the dust cap. Now down here at the bottom, you want to spin this all the way up, which I've already done. And then once you're done with that, you want to spin it 4 clicks down. Make sure you get the full rotation out of it. And you'll be able to remove the drum again. Repeat these steps on the other side so that you have a nice even pressure on the rear drums when you pull the e-brake. And don't forget to put in your dust cap. So now after you've adjusted your drums, when you pull up on the e-brake, you should hear about 6 clicks before you're at full tight. So let's listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's absolutely tight. It's like brand new. So get out there, guys. Adjust your e-brakes if you're going out drifting or you just want to secure your car in a stationary position, all right? All right, thanks for stopping by, guys. If this helped you out, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.